Nauru, located in the Central Pacific just south of the equator, is renowned for its rich phosphate reserves and thriving fisheries. Nauru is also an ideal tropical resort destination for tourists from around the world. On November 28, 2024, a delegation of 21 representatives from the Nauru Media Department, the Nauru-China Friendship Association, Nauru Television, MKO, and other major media organizations visited China. They arrived in Chengdu to begin a journey of exploration and exchange focused on China's path to modernization.
The size of this company and the achievements and development that they have done in China is just a real testament of how China has really moved forward and advanced in terms of renewable energy, and it shows their commitment to improving the issue of climate change and solving the reducing carbon emissions.
As a leading global solar panel manufacturer based in China, it is the first company in the photovoltaic industry to join the Fortune Global 500.
The most important thing is coming here today and looking at this marvelous factory. I think all of us from Nauru have never seen such a major production of solar. Nauru will really benefit by ensuring that I think majority of homes should have solar panel. And I think it's really important to also contribute to the how China is also contributing to its promise to the world in terms of reducing the amount of fossil fuel, the emission of fossil fuel, and other countries should also follow that.
With the empowerment of a technology, 5G smart workshops that work non-stop have emerged. While further enhancing productivity, they are also driving Chengdu's green and low-carbon development. Chengdu, guided by the carbon peaking and carbon neutrality goals, has gathered more than 30 leading companies, including Tongwei Solar, along with a group of key supporting enterprises. This has helped establish the high-end photovoltaic industry chain, making Chengdu one of the world's main solar panel production hubs. By 2027, the industry's output value is expected to exceed 500 billion yuan, positioning Chengdu as a globally influential photovoltaic industry base.
Nauru is a very small island that its target is for renewable energy by 2050 to achieve 100%. And solar panels are one of the options that they are looking at. Now that we are here, we got to see the real China and how advanced and developed the country is, not just in terms of renewable energy, in terms of preserving their culture, heritage, arts, and all that, to be here and witness and experience life in China.
In the 1970s, Sanshitan in Jintang County began to vigorously develop the navel orange industry. The region has cultivated high-quality citrus varieties such as Robertson navel orange and Chunjian, with an annual output reaching 80 million kilograms. It is renowned as the hometown of navel oranges in China. At the orchard that showcases China's rural revitalization, located just 32 kilometers from downtown Chengdu, the guests of the Nauru Media Delegation had the first experience of the orange harvesting process in a modern orchard.
6 oranges that I've picked alongside.
It's wonderful, yes, yeah. I feel there's a lot of hard work done. I would say Chinese agriculture is very developed, yes, and taking the initiative to involve the community. As we've heard from the tour guide, that this was a community effort and they've developed together. It's good to see.
My first time in my life to pick some oranges. It's a great experience. Very wonderful. So it's my first time to be in a park this big. It's more just like a quarter half of my country. But yeah, it's very great.
It feels more homebound and grounded that we get to see behind the production, behind the product. We get to see and experience what the locals feel here as well.
In recent years, Chengdu has been making continuous progress on the path of urban-rural integration in its megacity development, vigorously promoting high-quality rural industrial development. In 2024, 404,000 mu of high-standard farmland were newly constructed and upgraded, with 10,000 new agricultural professional managers trained. The quality of life for farmers has been steadily improving. The guests of the Nauru media delegation, through their first-hand experiences, were able to closely witness the impressive achievements of China's rural revitalization.
To be honest, I don't think it is as rural as some may say. I feel like this is really innovative as well. Nauru has a lot of potential in that sense because we're a very traditional and local-based country as well. We get to learn more about the agriculture and cultivating our land in the sense from these sort of experiences. Based on the presentation that we had, it's only getting better with time.
Everywhere I go, I just take videos. I just wanna share with them the beautiful of this place and also the whole China.